a new Vite project using the latest version. Run the npm create vite latest command. Please provide a name for your new Vite project. Select a framework. Use arrow keys to navigate and select React Framework. Select a variant. Use arrow keys to navigate and select JavaScript. Now run following commands. First, navigate into the project directory. Second, install dependencies. Third, start the development server. Now, please copy this link and paste it into your web browser's address bar. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Vite plus React setup for your project.